Hello, I have created this blog as a teaching tool to use for Year 5 and 6 students focusing on physical education. Within this blog, I have included details about the assessment, brief lesson overviews, lesson outcomes, how this activity links to the curriculum, and an About Me page. For this task, students will be put into groups of 3 and asked to create a short video outlining the rules, regulations, infringements, and penalties included in a sport of their choosing. This video will then be reviewed by the class and a peer evaluation will be conducted. Overall, this project should take approximately 6 weeks to complete, and I have outlined each lesson as follows. The first lesson is an introductory lesson, where students will be explained the task. The second should focus on Movely, the software that will be used to create the end product. Lesson 3 through 5 will be the creation of the video, including time for filming, recording, and editing. The final lesson will be a peer evaluation of each student's final product. The 2 teaching areas for this are movement and physical activity and digital technologies. As you can see, I have included links to the curriculum for both these subjects. For this project, I have incorporated all aspects of meaningful learning, including active, authentic, intentional, cooperative, and constructive. Lastly is the About Me page, which will tell you a little bit about myself and how to contact me. Thank you.